Every year, millions of trees are illegally cut. Forests are destroyed. Ecosystems collapse. And businesses that cannot prove their wood and paper products come from responsible sources are losing buyers, contracts, and credibility fast. FSC stands for the Forest Stewardship Council, and FSC Chain of Custody, FBAMBRE, or FSC CoC, is the certification that tracks wood, paper, and forest-based products all the way from the forest to the final product. It proves that every step of your supply chain, from raw material to finished goods, meets the highest standards of responsible forest management. Who needs it? Timber and wood product manufacturers, paper and packaging companies, furniture producers, printers, publishers, and any business that uses wood or paper-based materials in their products. If your business touches forest-based materials, FSC CoC is for you. Certification involves verifying that your supply chain correctly handles, processes, and labels FSC certified materials. Every stage is tracked, documented, and verified to ensure nothing enters your chain from illegal or irresponsible sources. The benefits are powerful. FSC CoC certification opens doors to eco-conscious buyers and global retailers who require responsible sourcing. It strengthens your brand reputation, satisfies international regulatory requirements, and shows your customers that your products are not costing the planet. In a world where sustainability is no longer optional, FSC CoC is your competitive advantage. MBA Solutions guides you through the entire FSC Chain of Custody certification process, quickly, professionally, and without the complexity. Prove your products are forest-friendly. Contact MBA Solutions today and let us get you certified.